Hello, Coach K community. Today we are going to be working just on our upper body. I got a request to show it seated onto a chair though. Just know you can do this exact workout kneeling on your mat, seated on your mat, or simply just standing. If you want to join me on that chair though, go ahead and grab that chair, take a seat, and grab onto your weights. Real quick on the screen now, I'm going to show you what you need for a beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Go ahead and grab those weights and let's get started. You're gonna take the weights into your hands. We're gonna take those elbows and bend them into the sides of our body. We're gonna create two L shapes with our arms. So my palms are facing in, my wrists are in line with my elbow, and my elbow is tucked into the side of my body to create that lovely L shape. Now from here, think as if there's a lottery ticket stuck between those elbows. You do not wanna let go of it. You're gonna slowly open your hands away from your body, slow and controlled, bring them back on in. And again, open those hands away, slowly bring them back on in for 10, 9. Now it's not a big range of motion here. We're keeping those elbows tucked on purpose for 8, 7, 6, 5. Now, yes, we're working on our upper body here, but part of your upper body is our torso. So let's sit nice and tall here. Crown of the head's going up towards that ceiling. Now, let's add an extension. We open, reach those arms away, bend them on in, reset to the center. Now again, open, reach away, bend it in, come through the center. We got 9 more of those. So just make sure you tuck back into the sides, hold it into the sides of the body again as you open. They reach away from the ribs, come back to your ribs, back to the center. So we want to make sure that we're thinking about each move here. We're not rushing through it, we're taking our time, squeezing through those biceps, squeezing through those shoulders, using the upper back for assistance so we're not going into our low back here. In 4, we're gonna hold those arms reaching out to the sides of the room here. In 3, you got 2 more. Now we go through the whole thing. Open, reach, bend it in, close, but now open, reach away, hold. In 10, you're gonna flip the hands up and down. In 8, 7, 6, keep those arms there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip the hands down, flip them up. And again, flip them down, flip them up for 8. You got 7. Going 6. Now it's a rotation from your shoulder. It's not a flip of the wrist. So I'm using my shoulders to make the palm go up and rotate down. For 5. You're gonna hold it there in 4. You got this. 3, 2, 1 more. Hold the palms flipped up. Now pulse the hands up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on. Whew. Second round. What we're gonna do is more bicep focus. So we're gonna start with a wide bicep curl. We're gonna bring those arms out to the sides of the room. This time you are detached from the ribs. Slow and controlled. You're gonna curl in towards your shoulders. Extend those arms away, keeping a soft bend in those elbows. Then right away, curl it back on in. So think like you're making a W with your arms and then curling in from there. For 8. In 7, we're gonna hold those hands extended out. In 6, go in 5, 4, in 3, 2. Now on this last one, hold those arms there. You're gonna swoop those hands in front of the chest, swoop them back on out for 10, 9. Think about the weights coming together Slowly resisting away. 8, 7, 6, 5, whew, 4. Hope you're feeling that burn with me. 3, 2. On this last one, hold it center, pulse it forward. 10, 9, 8. Oh my gosh. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swoop those arms down. We are not done yet. Soften in those elbows. Reach those hands nice and long in front. Swoop them back down on the outside for 10. We are almost there, friends. 8. Going 7. I know that upper body is burning, but you got this. We got that short and effective upper body burn today. In 5. We're gonna hold those arms down to the sides of our body here. In 3. Going 2. 1 more. Hold your arms down to the sides. Swoop them up slowly towards that ceiling. Back out to the sides. Keep your shoulders back and down. Swoop it up. Back down for 9. 8. 7. Going 6. Of course, I gotta do a little finisher though. In 5. Going 4. We have 3. Almost there. 2. Now on this last one, come down halfway, pause. Pulse it up and down for 10, 9, 8, woo! Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ho-ho. Shake it on out. Go ahead and put those weights off to the side. Let's stretch. You're gonna bring that right arm across the body, hook the left arm underneath, and pull and hold. Now, if you felt that upper body burn today, go ahead and comment down below, upper body burn. I'm gonna go ahead and link a lower body workout though, so if you'd like to continue working out with me, let's go ahead and work those legs next. Now, go ahead and bring that right hand behind the back. Take the left hand onto the right elbow, lightly pull down. In 5, we'll switch to the other side. In 3, 2, 1. Take the left arm across, hook the right arm underneath, hold. And 10, we'll go to that nice, lovely behind the back stretch. And 3, 2, 1. Take that left hand behind, lightly pull down, hold for 10. And 5, we'll end with that seated meditation. 3, 2, 1. Bring the hands to the stomach, close those eyes, relax. Taking that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise, let it fill with all that air. Exhale it all out. Thank that body for all that work. 3, 2, 1. Well, thanks for joining with me today. Hope to see you in the next workout. Bye.